Learn English with English Thing Lab.
Hi everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to do shadowing together. Shadowing means you listen and repeat after me. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just focus on the sound, the rhythm, and your voice. Try to speak with me. Not after a long time. Stay relaxed and don't stop. Ready? Let's start. Emma was sitting on the bus. Emma was sitting on the bus. She was looking out of the window. She was looking out of the window. Everything felt new. Everything felt new. The streets were different. The streets were different. The people were different. The people were different. She took a deep breath. She took a deep breath. This is my new life, she said. This is my new life, she said. Last week, Emma moved to a new city. Last week, Emma moved to a new city. She didn't know anyone there. She didn't know anyone there. She felt a little nervous. She felt a little nervous. What if I can't speak well, she thought. What if I can't speak well, she thought. The bus stopped. The bus stopped. This is your stop, the driver said. This is your stop, the driver said. Thank you, Emma said. Thank you, Emma said. She saw a small cafe. She saw a small cafe. She walked inside. She walked inside. Hi, what can I get for you? Hi, what can I get for you? I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please. What kind of coffee? What kind of coffee? A small latte, please. A small latte, please. That will be $5. That will be $5. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Yes, I just moved here. Yes, I just moved here. Welcome, my name is Sarah. Welcome, my name is Sarah. I'm Emma. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. You can come here anytime. You can come here anytime. We can talk and practice. We can talk and practice. Emma smiled. Emma smiled. She felt better. She felt better. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Good job. You're doing great. Now let's change the way we practice. This time, don't repeat after me. Just listen and try to follow the story in your mind. Stay with the voice and let the English come naturally. Emma was sitting on the bus looking out of the window. Everything felt new. The streets were different. The people were different. Even the air felt different. She took a deep breath. This is my new life, she said quietly. Last week, Emma moved to a new city. She didn't know anyone here. No friends. No family. Only her suitcase and her dream. She wanted to improve her English and she wanted to start a new life. But now, sitting on the bus, she felt a little nervous. What if I can't speak well? She thought. What if people don't understand me? The bus stopped. This is your stop, the driver said. Emma stood up quickly. Thank you, she said, a little shy. She got off the bus and looked around. There was a small cafe on the corner. I'm a little early, she said. Maybe I can go inside. She walked slowly to the cafe and opened the door. A warm smell of coffee filled the air. A young woman stood behind the counter. Hi, what can I get for you? She asked with a smile. Emma froze for a second. This was it, her first real conversation. Hi, Emma said. I would like a coffee, please. Of course, the woman said. What kind of coffee? Emma thought quickly. Just a small latte, please. Sure. Anything else? Emma shook her head. No, thank you. All right, that will be $5. Emma paid and smiled. Thank you. You're welcome, the woman said. Is this your first time here? Emma nodded. Yes, I just moved here. Oh, really? The woman said. Welcome, my name is Sarah. Emma smiled again. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Emma, Sarah said. Emma felt something change inside her. The fear was smaller now. Nice to meet you too, she said. She took her coffee and sat near the window. Outside, people were walking, talking, laughing. Everything still felt new, but not scary anymore. After a few minutes, Sarah came to her table. Hey, Emma, she said. Are you new in the city? Yes, Emma said. I moved here last week. That's exciting, Sarah said. What do you do? Emma took a small breath. I'm learning English, she said. And I want to find a job. That's great, Sarah said. Your English is good. Emma smiled, a little surprised. Really? I feel very slow. That's okay, Sarah said. You're speaking. That's important. Emma looked at her coffee. Sometimes I'm afraid to talk, she said. I understand, Sarah said. But the more you speak, the easier it becomes. Emma nodded. She knew that was true. You can come here anytime, Sarah said. We can talk. I can help you practice. Emma's eyes lit up. Really? Of course, Sarah smiled. Emma felt warm inside. Maybe this city was not so big and scary after all. Maybe it was full of small chances, small conversations, small moments. That could change everything. She looked outside again. The same street, the same people. But now it felt different. She took a sip of her coffee and smiled. This is just the beginning, she said quietly, and that's the end of our story for today. If you could follow this even a little, that means your English is growing. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Try this again tomorrow, and you will feel the difference. If you enjoyed this kind of practice, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next story.